some food. So first we're gonna make a gingerbread man-shaped cookie with a sugar cookie, of course, and then chocolate cookie.
Chocolate chip cookie.
We have all these ingredients. We have sprinkles. Yeah, we should have sprinkles. Some mix.
Cake. This is for the cake, not.
And then we have this.
Icing sugar solution.
Icing sugar, and it's like weird. And then some red whipped cream. And we have some butter. We always need butter for everything. And what's that again?
Banana essence.
Banana essence. And then a gingerbread man mold, of course.
All-purpose flour.
And all-purpose flour. Right?
And wheat.
And wheat.
All-purpose flour.
Yeah, and then sugar.
And vanilla extract.
Yeah, and vanilla extract.
And sugar.
And sugar, like kind of ghee sugar. I guess it's sand sugar.
Okay.
So it's a sand or a ghee?
It looks like a sand. I'm gonna put this sugar inside the butter. Shall we do that?
Half cup sugar and half cup butter.
Yeah, like half cup sugar and a half cup butter. Shall I put it in this? 3, 2, 1. Bum, ba, bum, ba, ba, ba. Can I whisk it?
அப்படிதான்.
Mixing. I'm going to chop this butter down. Half teaspoon vanilla extract I'm going to put in this, right? I'm going to mix it again. The butter is still, it's on the wicks.
சரி பண்ணுடா.
It's like I want to come on you. Get away. We're going to put 1 cup wheat inside this big bowl, right?
போடு.
Oh my goodness, I touched it. But I don't know. Boom, boom, boom. So we need 1 spoon baking powder. I accidentally spilled it. Like, I accidentally spilled it, but 1 spoon. Only put 1 spoon. If you spill it, you need to see, and then your mom needs to do it all again. Right?
1/4 spoon of salt.
3, 2, 1.
Now mix it with.
Can I do it? And mix it. See? There's enough good. So we're going to put the sugary butter into the flour or with something. So this to this. 3, 2, 1. It smells like vanilla. Because we put vanilla extra. Wow! There's like a volcano now! Volcano spirit! It's really like cool. We already did a check, but we didn't put episode, so and it's done. So we're gonna do a new one, and this is it.
சிரிக்கிறா பாரு அம்மா அடி.
Try to stop. Calm down. Count down from 5 and then breathe. Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. It looks fun. I can't open this food. Oh no. It looks like this right now. Raw something. Half cup of chocolate chip. I'm going to eat one. Going everywhere. It's all inside. Next one. somewhat, but not a lot. Like, do 5 or 3 or like 1. Maybe. We are gonna lie. Boom. Last one. Ba-boom, ba-boom. Does it look good? It looks tasty for me. In a while, when it's cooking, we'll do another cookie. We made a chocolate cookie, and so we did a G. My dad did a J. We did all of those. Now we melted some butter for the other cookie,
Gingerbread man sugar cookies.
and we're gonna gingerbread me and mold. Here it is, and we're gonna use wait, I need to climb on the tape to sprinkle and frosting, glittery frosting, and it's my favorite color, red. And my first favorite color, red, then blue, then green. I changed it. So we did sugar 1/2 cup with melted butter, 2 melted butter. We're done with the chocolate chip. We're going to not doing it. Do it. I'm spilling more. Oh, this looks melty. Swix. Hey, get out of there! You can't. This is not his sleeping tent, right? It's not his sleeping tent. The whole thing is mixing. You can come a little forward. You can go backward. Little forward, backward. Little forward, backward. Swirly cookie, like swirly cookie.
What is that?
So we mixed it with this grinder. We plugged it in. So now
For 3 cups of flour.
3 cups of flour, and then what's this?
Baking powder. Half
Half tea baking powder. I spilled it a little bit inside. Half teaspoon salt. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Now mix it.
So we're gonna put all of these yucky bucky bunk into this bunky dunky junk. Done. Here's the dough. It's right here, but I'm going to take them, roll it into a ball. Hey, can I do it? You're cocking his head. I guess cocking. A gingerbread me. His leg. Okay, you see my first gingerbread in there. We rolled the dough and then we put where 2 gingerbread shapes, but we're going to do them. Should I press it? Press, wiggle, wiggle.
Next.
Done. I'll put one here. We did this one gingerbread and then taking the last one. Yeah, this way, right? Whoa! It looks so weird. You like it? Why is this not coming? Why is this not coming? Oh yeah, it's back. It broke. I knew it won't work. Give me the gingerbread mold. Is it like this? Oh yeah. So we're gonna trace over it. Looks sparkly.